Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Polkadot on Bitrue and want to move it over to your Revolut account in 2025, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. With crypto regulations evolving, always check for the latest updates on both platforms before you start. First things first, make sure you have a verified account on Bitrue with some DOT in your wallet, and that your Revolut account is set up to handle cryptocurrencies. Revolut has been expanding its crypto features, so double-check that DOT is supported in your region. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your email, phone, or two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Polkadot balance. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw option next to Polkadot. You'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated cost to avoid surprises. Step 3. For the destination, you'll need your Revolut crypto wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and copy the wallet address for Polkadot. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Bitrue, and add any required memos or tags if prompted. Don't skip this, as it could delay your transaction. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to prevent sending your DOT to the wrong place. That's a common mistake. Once you're sure, hit confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Polkadot network, this usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Keep an eye on your Bitrue transaction history and your Revolut app for updates. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. Also, be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits on Bitrue and potential taxes on crypto transfers. If you run into issues, both platforms have support chats to help out. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Polkadot from Bitrue to Revolut in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.